Welcome back to All 50 States Gun Laws, Part 3. Now, when it comes to the Second Amendment, Arizona is one of the most freedom-friendly states in the nation. If you are legally allowed to own a firearm, the state generally does not require a permit to carry it concealed. This is often called constitutional carry. But while a permit isn't required to carry, the rules about where you can carry and the benefits of getting a permit are crucial to understand. Let's break down the law. First, let's look at who can carry without a permit. Under Arizona State, Section 3102, you can carry a concealed weapon without a permit if you meet these conditions. You are 1, at least 21 years old, and you are not a prohibited possessor. So, who is a prohibited possessor? You cannot carry if you have been convicted of a felony unless your rights have been restored, if you are under indictment for a felony, if you suffer from mental illness and have been adjudicated incompetent, or if you are unlawfully present in the United States. Important note for 18 to 20 years old. While you can possess a firearm, the permitless carry law specifically requires you to be 21. If you are between 18 and 20, you generally cannot carry a concealed weapon in public without a permit, though carry may be permitted with restrictions. Voluntary Concealed Weapons Permit, or CWP. So why would anyone pay for a permit if you don't need one? There are two big reasons: reciprocity and federal law. First, reciprocity. Arizona is a shall issue state, meaning if you qualify, the Department of Public Safety must issue you a permit. This permit allows you to carry concealed in over 30 other states that recognize Arizona's permit. If you travel frequently, this is essential. Now, federal school zones. Under Federal Gun-Free School Zones Act, you generally cannot carry a firearm within 1,000 feet of a K-12 school. However, there is an exception if you have a state-issued concealed weapons permit. How to get the permit from the Arizona DPS? You need to 1. Be a resident or a U.S. citizen. 2. Be 21 or older, or 19 with military service documentations. 3. Demonstrate firearm competence. This usually means taking a class from an approved NRA certified instructor. Active military or those with an honorable discharge